Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices, get the cable ready and unlock your phone. Connect the Lightning or USB-C cable to the Honda USB port labeled CarPlay and make sure the car is an accessory or on so the system powers up. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then leave the screen active. Once done, open the Honda Infotainment Home, select Phone or Bluetooth, and choose the option to pair a new device. This starts the handshake between systems. You now handle authorization and permissions. When the infotainment shows a pairing code, verify it matches the code on your iPhone, then tap Pair on the phone and confirm on the Honda screen. Next, you must allow CarPlay access on the iPhone. Choose Always or while using the app so connections are automatic later. If asked about contacts and favorites, allow access for full functionality. Once accepted, CarPlay will negotiate apps and audio routing. Wait for the CarPlay home screen to appear. You finish by confirming everything works. Open Maps, place a quick call, and play audio to verify sound and controls. If CarPlay doesn't show immediately, unplug and try another USB port or an Apple-certified cable. Sometimes the USB port labeled for data is different. If wireless pairing fails, revert to wired for the initial setup. Make sure to reboot the car's infotainment and your iPhone if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: reset iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.